Well, it started raining 10 till 9 yesterday morning, so in 24 hours we're just a hair under 4 inches of rain. That's a huge amount. Let's go see how bad the flooding is. Remember when I dug this out last month? Glad I did that. It's flowing nice. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a mess. I have seen it worse, but that's pretty bad. That little corner right there is where the popcorn is at. So depending on how it drains when it stops raining, I might have to replant that little bit of popcorn. I'm half afraid to look at our creek. Holy Toledo. That is cranking. I hope it didn't take out that little bridge I redid last month. Let's walk back and see. That is scary. Usually the creek is about 6 feet down. It's 8 or 9 feet up right now. I can almost guarantee that little bridge is gone. All right, we're coming up on the little bridge. This is already the creek. Holy shit. Well, that's where it would be, but there's nowhere for me to get close enough to see if it's under that and getting run over by water or not. Guess we got to check the big bridge if it's this bad. We can't even hardly get close enough to see here. Oh, it's still there. Now that is chained to the tree, as you can see, so that other end can actually swing out and we won't just lose it, just have to pull it back into place. Of course, those logs and stuff are starting to build up against it. You see that right there? That's what's going to take it out. It gets enough pressure. Nothing we can do about it. There's nowhere for me to get across the creek to get home, so I got to walk all the way back to that swinging bridge. This is a little scary. If I stepped off this bridge, I'd be gone. Erased. They'd probably find me down in Alabama somewhere, washed up in a creek bed. So this bridge is where our creek exits the property and hits Browns Run Creek. Yeah. That is moving. Whole lot of water going downstream. This is Browns Run Creek, which is now basically a river. Slowing down a little bit now, beginning to recede. It's a neighbor's creek. See, it looks like at one point this jumped that bank, so it's already come down about a foot, if not more. We'll have to drag the driveway. And it looks like this pipe plugged. I don't know if I can reach in there and undo it or not. There we go. Good morning. Her hair is not falling out. We shaved her stomach to help keep her cooler. She's never seen an umbrella before. It's me. Come on, it's okay. It's me. What a good girl. All right, thanks for watching this special flood edition of Small Farm Survival. We'll see you soon.